Is it time to renew your Indian passport, or do you need to apply for a new one? In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process to properly fill out the documents online, process it, and set up the appointment so you can finalize all the documents and get your new passport or have your renewed passport. This video will walk you through how to apply or renew for an Indian passport. The official website to apply for or renew an Indian passport is embassy.passportindia.gov.in. First step, register on the Passport Seva portal. Number 2, log into the portal. Number 3, select apply for fresh passport or reissue a passport. Number 4, fill out the form and submit it. Number 5, click pay and schedule appointment to book an appointment at a Passport Seva Kendra PSK. 6, select the PSK location. Number 7, make a payment online. Number 8, print the application receipt with the application reference number ARN. Number 9, bring the official original documents to the PSK on the day of your appointment. You can use a credit or debit card, internet banking, or SBI Bank Challan to make payment. You can use the online fee calculator to estimate the passport fees. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, and share, and thumb up. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you, and we'll see you on your next adventure.